Picture this, a regular Indian like me, kicking back at home, built $1 million hub, ranking in dollars effortlessly. Now, if I can pull it off, why not unleash that potential in you and kickstart your journey to $1 million success? It's not a dream, it's a possibility waiting to happen. So, are you ready to turn that imagination into reality and start stacking up those dollars? Let's make your success story happen. Please check the first link from the description. Hey, what's up everyone? Mahesh here, and I hope you're doing well. And if you're tuned in right now, chances are you are exploring JVZoo and pondering whether it's a legitimate affiliate marketing network or not. Well, stick around because in this video, we'll dive into JVZoo, how it works, and whether you can really make money from it or not. But before we jump in, if you're really interested in my favorite method to earn $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, click the first link from the description down below and I'll share the strategy right away for free with you. Now, I've already scrutinized countless ways to make money online, both free and paid. And today we are focusing on JVZoo, a prominent affiliate marketing network that's been around for many years. So let me make this clear. JVZoo is 100% legit. You can sign up for free from anywhere all across the world and explore a vast array of affiliate products spanning various niches. So let's log in right away. And I've already logged in. Why? Because I keep on working sometimes on JVZoo, and you can have a closer look at how JVZoo operates. While I don't use JVZoo extensively, but I'll guide you through the process. So it's very crucial to note that while JVZoo is a solid network, there may be another networks that suit your preferences better. However, this doesn't negate the fact that you can indeed make money through only JVZoo. One way to start is by checking out the top sellers in the product section down below. So you can go click that and you can see that JVZoo offers thousands of affiliate products, primarily focusing on information products and softwares. Okay, they excel in areas like AI, trading bots, SEO, and many more. Now let's explore a specific product. Like you see, let's go with Clips Reel AI. So once you click on it, it reveals details about the product and what it offers. JVZoo leans heavily towards softwares, and you'll find products like AI video creation tools in their lineups. Okay, there are other softwares, but mostly you would be finding AI related softwares. So when we come to another way to explore products is by just checking out featured products on the top right, left below. Okay, here you'll find graphic design softwares, AI tools, and many more. As I said you before, these are the types of products you'll be promoting as an affiliate. Now let's say you have picked a product to promote. Okay, so let's take an example of any product from down below. So to do this, you'll need a request for an approval to promote this affiliate product. So you need to ask for a request approval. So there are few messages you need to follow, few templates you need to follow to get approvals. So once you got approved, you'll receive an affiliate link to your email or directly on the same web page. So this link is what you'll share, and when someone makes a purchase through it, you earn a commission. This is how affiliate marketing would be working. So it's very essential to understand the product stats before promoting. For that's the reason, let us look at commission rates, average prices, and earnings per click, which is known as EPCs. And please make a note, higher EPCs or average prices can mean more potential earnings for you. Please keep this in mind. Alright, so once you got your affiliate link, take that affiliate link and you can promote it all across your social media. Your affiliate dashboard tracks your sales, commissions, and other statistics, but JVZoo pays out regularly through PayPal. So make it a convenient platform for affiliates. PayPal is very easy to get signed up, Once you get signed up, just link it with JVZoo. So once you start making commissions, you easily get paid through the PayPal, and from there you can directly transfer the amount to your bank account. So at last, I would like to conclude saying JVZoo is a legitimate platform. However, your success as an affiliate depends on your marketing strategy. But keep in mind, JVZoo doesn't provide marketing training, so it's very crucial to learn how to promote effectively. So if you have a solid strategy, you can make money with JVZoo. So as I said, if you're still unsure about selling products or promoting any products through online, or you're a beginner with affiliate marketing space, don't worry at all. I put together a free training that covers the ins and outs of the affiliate marketing. So you can please click the first link from the description down below and get the complete access to it. As you know, I've already started building my million dollar hub platform. So it's time for you to create the same $1 million hub. So I hope you found this JVZoo review helpful. Feel free to explore JVZoo at jvzoo.com, and if you're interested in diving deeper into affiliate marketing, check out the free training from first link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.